Now, the inordinate delays and cancellations by Indigo have, left the people fuming in different parts of the country. People are facing a host of problems, from missing important events to, of course, not being able to get to one place to the other on time, to their jobs, to their homes, to their offices. There are a series of problems that people are facing. But in Karnataka, there has been a peculiar incident that has taken place that's drawing the attention of people nationally. A couple who got married on the 23rd of November in Bhubaneswar were to fly to Bengaluru and then go to Hubli to attend their wedding reception. This was supposed to happen on the 3rd of December, but because of inordinate delays and eventually cancellation of their aircrafts, two different PNRs, Bhubaneswar to Mumbai to Bengaluru, and the other, of course, was Bhubaneswar to Bengaluru to Hubli. Both of them, of course, eventually cancelled, and the couple couldn't make it. Now, for the family, it was a challenge because they had already invited a huge number of guests, and finally, with no option remaining, they decided that they'll have the couple attend their own wedding reception online and then broadcast this video feed for the people who've come to the wedding. The family at this point in time says that it was an unfortunate incident. It shouldn't have happened. They would have loved for their family members to take part in this reception along with the couple. But because they had no other option, because the venue was booked, the people had already been called, the caterers had already been informed, they eventually had to ensure that the event had to go on, and the couple, who were fully dressed in their reception attire, sat there on a video conference call, and the people who came there, of course, blessed them even as a couple, apologized for not being able to be there physically. Now, this is just one instance, and there have been multiple stories like this coming to the fore from different parts of the country that shows how these delays and cancellations of aircrafts have left a void really in the lives of the peoples. With video journalist Govind, this is Deepak Bopana for NDTV.